Hi everyone! So today I want you to practice doing your sounds. I am going to say it first. I'm going to say the letter. I'm going to say what the picture is, and I'm going to say the sound that goes with it. And right after I do it, I want you to try and do it. You ready? All right, let's get started. A, apple, A. B, ball, B. C, cat, K. D, dog, D. E, ed, E. F, fan, F. G, goat, G. H, hat, H. I, igloo, I. J, jump rope, J. K, kite, K. L, ladybug, L. M, monkey, M. N, nest, N. O, octopus, A. P, pig, P. Q, question, Qu. R, rainbow, R. S, sun, S. T, turtle, T. U, umbrella, V, volcano, V. W, watermelon, W. X, fox, X. Y, yo-yo, Y. Z, zipper, Z. Very good. And if you need more practice, you can do this more times throughout the week too for extra practice. Have a great day. Bye.